All right, here I've got some cards that I just made in Lebanese Arabic or Syrian Arabic, Levantine Arabic, right? Beheb means I like something. Biddi means I want. Ishrab, drink. Ahwi is coffee. Shai is tea. A is yes, and on the other side it says no. There's a few other side things here too, by the way. Let me show you. So beheb, we also have betheb, which is speaking to you, second person, male. Bethebi is speaking to second person, female. And then likewise tishrab. So bitheb tishrab is do you like to drink coffee? And speaking to a female is bithebi tishrabi. So bithebi tishrabi ahwi, I could say. Or bithebi tishrabi shai. Get it? Do you like to drink tea? Do you like to drink coffee? Speaking to a male, do you like to drink coffee? Do you like to drink tea? Right? So bitaheb tishrab ahwi, bitaheb tishrab shai. Biddi, I want to, becomes biddak. So biddak becomes biddak tashrab. So you want to drink coffee. Want to drink coffee. Want to drink tea. Male, female. Got it? Clearly, yes. So now I have a handheld matrix. Yeah, I can literally be like beheb, beheb, beheb. What do I like? Beheb ishrab ahwi. Beheb ishrab ahwi. Beheb ishrab ahwi. If you like to ishrab ahwi, say beheb ishrab ahwi. If you don't, say ma beheb ishrab ahwi. But of course you do. So say beheb ishrab ahwi. Tayyib. My question for you is bitheb tishrab ahwi. It's in the wrong order. My bad. Bitheb tishrab ahwi. Or if you're a female, I would say bithebi tishrabi ahwi. That's what I meant to be doing. All right. And what about right now? Hala. Would you like to drink coffee? Do you want to drink coffee with me? Biddak tishrab. Biddak tishrab ahwi. Hala. Biddak tishrab shai. Hala. Biddak tishrabi shai. Biddak tishrabi ahwi. And so on and so forth. So I can hold them up. I can quiz myself however I want that way, or just keep them on the table and mix and match. Bring someone else in, and I could bring my mom in here, and she's never spoken a word of Arabic, and I'll say, hey, we can have a little conversation in Arabic just by mixing and matching building blocks. My question for you as a teacher would be, what kind of ideas can you come up with? I would like to see them. That's why we made the school community for teachers, so that we're all sharing creative work. Links in the description. So yeah, Lebanese Arabic in the form of building blocks, or a handheld spreadsheet, a handheld matrix.